Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to narrow down your search by using or applying filters on the ASOS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the search bar at the top, or to the search icon down below, which is the second option. Click on the search bar at the top and then start typing in the kind of product that you are looking for. And if you have a particular product in mind, you can use filters. So tap on the filter button at the top. Here you should select the sale or new season, then the gender. After that, if you go back by the help of this arrow in the upper left corner, you can select the other filters such as the product type, then the style, sleeve length, brand, color, body fit, size, discount, and price range can be indicated as well by the help of this scale. If you are done with applying all these filters and you would like to search for your product, click on the View Items button down below. And here you can find all of the product matching your preferences. So you are free to browse among the results. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.